and welcome to this video. Today, we are going to dive into the world of Tinkercad, a powerful online platform for 3D design and modeling. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Tinkercad offers a variety of tools to help you bring your ideas to life. Today we will talk specifically about how to use Arduino with Tinkercad. So sit back, grab your design tools and let's get started. If you do not have access or don't have a budget to buy an Arduino, Tinkercad can be a great alternative. With Tinkercad, you can design and simulate your circuits without having to spend any money on hardware. In Tinkercad, you can use virtual components to build your circuits, just like you would on a physical breadboard. You can experiment with different configurations and test your circuits in real time, all without having to invest in any hardware. This makes Tinkercad a great option for anyone who wants to learn about electronics, but doesn't have the budget or access to purchase an Arduino and other components. Additionally, Tinkercad is a great way to test your ideas and prototypes before committing to a physical build. You can use Tinkercad to validate your design and make sure everything is working correctly before you invest in any hardware. This can save you time and money in the long run, as you'll be able to identify and fix any issues in the virtual environment before building your circuit in the real world. Tinkercad is a great option for you. It's free, easy to use, and provides a safe and convenient environment for exploring and learning about electronics. So, go ahead and give it a try today.